Ford knows what makes business thrive. It's people. People who want their van ready before they leave the house. Nice. People who don't get distracted, they just get moving. People who let Dave in, don't let Dave in. Let Dave in, don't let Dave in. People who know Jason's back with the right size bolts in 3, 2, and 1. You know the types who can catch problems before they become problems? They're the ones who are really making business tick. No, wait. It's not about these guys. It's about people with better things to worry about. What makes business thrive is the people in business. And FordPass Pro keeps them moving. It's not bad for an app, eh?